To one and all. Today we are discussing the electrical systems transfer functions. So, in voltage across elements in electrical system, in voltage across resistor V is equal to IR, voltage across inductance V is equal to L into di by dt, voltage across capacitance V is equal to 1 by C integral IDT. This is the voltage across connecting elements. V is equal to IR resistor. Inductance V is equal to L into di by dt. Capacitance V is equal to 1 by C integral IDT. Okay. So in the current through the elements, in you are apply the KCL, current through the elements, I is equal to V by R. Inductance I is equal to 1 by L integral V dt. Capacitance I is equal to C into dV by dt. Okay. So you are calculating the transfer function of electrical network in shown in figure. This is voltage, apply voltage E of t. This is R1, this is R2, this is capacitance C1, this is capacitance C2, this is voltage across, output voltage across connecting the capacitance. V2 of t is output voltage across connecting the element C2. So first you are obtain the transfer function of electrical network. So the transfer function means Laplace transform of output to the Laplace transform of input with the zero initial conditions. What is the output of the this network? V2 of t. So V2 of t is output. Input is apply voltage E of t. So V2 of S by E of S is the transfer function. So V2 of S by E of S is the transfer function of given electrical network. So first, this is you are apply the KVL in the first loop and the second loop. Voltage across the elements, voltage across the elements in the second loop. Okay, apply KVL to the input loop. This is input loop. Okay, so first loop and second loop. Apply voltage E of t is equal to R1 into I1 of t. E of t is equal to R1 into I of t plus C1 is connecting between first loop and second loop. So 1 by C1 integration of I1 of t minus I2 of t. Clear? This is our input voltage E of t is equal to R1 into I1 of t plus 1 by C1 integration of I1 of t minus I2 of t. So you are calculating the transfer function of the given electrical network. So what is the transfer function definition? Laplace transform of output by the Laplace transform of input. So Laplace transform apply the Laplace transform, we get E of t Laplace transform E of S, E of t Laplace transform E of S is equal to R1 I1 of t is I1 of S plus 1 by C1 Laplace transform of integration is 1 by S. So 1 by C1 S into I1 of t is Laplace transform I1 of S minus Laplace transform of I2 of t is I2 of S. separated terms I1 of s and I2 of s terms. I1 of s is common in the first term and second term. I1 of s is common R1 plus 1 by C1 s minus 1 by C1 s into I2 of s. In this equation, equation number 1, note down the equation number 1. Next, apply KVL at second loop. So this is second loop. Apply KVL at second loop. V2 is connecting only I2. So we see 1 by C2 integration of I2 of t. 1 by C2 integration of I2 of t plus R2 into I2 of t, and C1 is connecting I2 and I1. C1 is connecting I2 and I1. So 1 by C2 integration of I2 of t, R2 into I2 of t plus 1 by C1 integration of I2 of t minus I1 of t. Apply KVL. And the apply Laplace transform, we get so apply Laplace transform. Apply Laplace transform. I2 of s into 1 by C1 s plus R2 plus 1 by C2s is equal to 1 by C2 into I2 of s. So substituting in both our equations is equate. Apply KVL at first equation. Apply KVL at second equation. Both are equating, and the voltage, output voltage across connecting element, output voltage across connecting the capacitors V2 of t is equal to 1 by C2 integration of I2 of t dt. Okay, so V2 of t is equal to V2 of t is equal to 1 by C2 integration of I2 of t dt. So apply Laplace transform. V2 of s is equal to 1 by C2s I2 of s. So in the equation 3 and equation 4 is equating, substituting, and the equation 4 and the equation 3. So in the equating and the transfer function V2 of s by V1 of s. This is the transfer function of given electrical system. So first apply KVL at first loop, and the second loop apply KVL. Voltage across elements, voltage across resistor V is equal to IR, voltage across inductance V is equal to L into di by dt, voltage across capacitance V is equal to 1 by C integral I dt. So in this voltage across the three elements you are using, apply KVL at first loop, and the voltage across elements you are using, apply KVL at second loop. So equation 1 and equation 2, this is voltage across the elements in the first loop. apply KVL at second loop, apply KVL at first loop is equal to apply KVL at second loop. Both equations are equating and the solving and the output voltage across connecting the capacitor V2 of t is equal to 1 by C integration of I of t dt. You are using, so in this equation, substitution in 3 and equating 3 and 4, you are calculating the transfer function V2 of S by E of S. Okay, so this is the calculation of transfer function in the given electrical network. Next problem, you are seeing, obtain the transfer function of electrical network shown in figure. In the electrical voltage E of t, inductance L1, inductance L2, resistor R1, resistor R2, and the output voltage across V of t. And the output voltage across connecting V of t. సో ఒకసారి చూడండి అమ్మా ఫిగర్ E of t, L1, L2, R1, R2, and the output voltage across connecting V2 of t. So same process, you are calculating the transfer function of the given electrical network. So apply KVL to the input loop. Apply KVL to the input loop. So voltage across elements, inductance L1, resistor R1. So apply KVL to the input loop. Apply KVL to the input loop. E of t is equal to L1 into di1 by dt. R1 is connecting between the two loops. R1 into I1 of t minus I2 of t. I repeat, E of t is equal to L1 into di1 of t by dt plus R1 into I1 of t minus I2 of t. And the apply Laplace transformation. So ఎందుకు Laplace transformation apply చేస్తున్నాం? The definition of transfer function is Laplace transform of output to the Laplace transform of input with zero initial conditions. Because of E of t is Laplace transform E of S. E of t is Laplace transform E of S. L1, Laplace transform of d by dt, yes. I1 of t is I1 of S plus R1, I1 of t is I1 of S, I2 of t is I2 of S. In the t domain is converted to S domain, we are apply the Laplace transformation. So E of S is equal to E of t is equal to E of S. L1 is constant L1. Laplace transform of d by dt, yes. I1 of t is I1 of S. Plus R1 into I1 of t is I1 of S. I2 of t is I2 of S. So I1 of S is separated. I2 of S is separated. I1 of S is common. L1S plus R1 minus R1 into I2 of S. So in this equation, I1 of S is equal to E of S plus R1 I2 of S by L1S plus R1. And apply KVL to the output loop or second loop. ఏదైనా సరే output loop. Apply KVL at second loop. R2 into I2 of t, L2 into di2 by dt, R1 into I2 minus I1. I repeat, R2 into I2 of t. So R2 is correcting only I2 of t. R2 into I2 of t. L2 into di2 by dt. R1 into I2 minus I1 is equal to 0. Apply Laplace transformation. R1 into I2 of s minus I1 of s. L2 d by dt की Laplace transform s. L2 into s into I2 of s plus R2 into I2 of s is equal to 0. So I2 of s is common. R1 plus L2s plus R2 minus R1 into I1 of s is equal to 0. In this equation, I1 of s is separated. I1 of s is equal to same equation 1 log same equation 2 I2 of s into R1 plus L2s plus R2 by R1. 1 and 2 is equating. 1 and 2 is equating. And the last one, the output voltage from the circuit, output voltage across connecting the circuit, output voltage across connecting the circuit, V2 of t is equal to R2 into I2 of t. So the Laplace transform, I2 of s is equal to V2 of s by R2. Equation 4, substitute in 3 and the solving these equations and the transfer function V2 of s by E of s 1 by R2 plus L2s by R1 R2 plus 1 by R1 into L1s plus R1 minus R1 by R2. ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ సాల్వ్ చేస్తే ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ వచ్చేసి దిస్ ఈస్ ద electrical systems in the transfer function. Okay, next analogous systems. So already discussed chesam ivi classrooms lo electrical system transfer functions kuda manam discuss chesam and the electrical analogous systems kuda discuss chesam. ఓకే, సో జస్ట్ బ్రీఫ్ గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తానమ్మా. క్లాస్ నోట్స్ లో చాలా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చెప్పాను మీకు. సో అనలాగస్ సిస్టమ్స్ మీన్స్ ద సిస్టమ్స్ విత్ ఐడెంటికల్ మ్యాథమెటికల్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ ఆర్ నోన్ యాజ్ అనలాగస్ సిస్టమ్స్. సో ఏదైనా సరే ఇన్ ట్రాన్స్లేషనల్ మెకానికల్ సిస్టమ్ ఆర్ రొటేషనల్ మెకానికల్ సిస్టమ్ ని మనము ఒక ఎలక్ట్రికల్ సిస్టమ్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తే దాన్నే ఎలక్ట్రికల్ అనలాగస్ సిస్టమ్స్ అంటారు. సో ఇన్ ట్రాన్స్లేషనల్ మెకానికల్ సిస్టమ్ ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి మనకి ఎలిమెంట్స్? ఎక్స్ ఇస్ ద డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్, ఎం ఈస్ మాస్ ఎలిమెంట్, డి ఈస్ ఫ్రిక్షనల్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆర్ డాష్ పాట్, కే ఈస్ ద స్ప్రింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్. In these four elements and the applied force F of t. In these 5 elements in electrical, force is replaced voltage, mass is replaced inductor, K is replaced capacitor, B is replaced resistor. So these are the electrical analogous systems. So analogous system means the systems with identical mathematical expressions are known as analogous systems. So the electrical analogous systems will mechanical translational system is two. First one is force voltage analogy, second one is force current analogy. In the translational mechanical electrical analogous systems to force voltage, force current. And the rotational mechanical system is converted to electrical systems, two types, torque voltage, torque current. In the translational, force voltage, force current. In the rotational, torque voltage, torque current. Okay, so first force voltage analogy. Force voltage analogy, this is the considered the translational system. ఒక స్మాల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకున్నాం, చెప్తున్నా వినండి అమ్మా. Considered a mechanical translational system. K element, K means spring, B is frictional coefficient, M is mass element, X is the displacement of the body, F of t is input voltage. So first, ఈ మాస్ ఎలిమెంట్ కి ఫ్రీ బాడీ డయాగ్రామ్ నోట్ చేయండి. సేమ్ ఇన్ ద ట్రాన్స్లేషనల్ మెకానికల్ సిస్టమ్, ఈ మాస్ ఎలిమెంట్ కి ఫ్రీ బాడీ డయాగ్రామ్ Fm, Fk, Fb, only 3 elements, and the applied force F of t. F of t is equal to F of m plus F of b plus F of k. These 3 elements, mass element opposing force is directly proportional to acceleration of the body. Acceleration means 2 times differentiation of the displacement, m into d square x by dt square. Fb, b element opposing force is directly proportional to velocity of the body. Velocity means 1 time differentiation of the displacement. So d into dx by dt. In the k element opposing force is directly proportional to displacement of the body, k into x. So in the replacement in the force voltage analogy with velocity, displacement with velocity. So d square x by dt square you are replacing dv by dt, dx by dt you are replacing velocity, x is replacing integral v dt. D square x by dt square is dv by dt, dx by dt is equal to v, x is equal to integral v dt. And the substitution chestam, d square x by dt square is dv by dt, m into dv by dt, b into dx by dt is v, x is integral v dt. This is the substitution. So you are replacing force voltage analogy. Mass is replaced inductor, B is replaced resistor, K is replaced capacitor. Mass is replaced inductor, B is replaced resistor, K is replaced capacitor. In the force voltage analogy, force is replaced voltage. Force is replaced voltage, and mass is replaced inductor, B is replaced resistor, K is replaced capacitor. So మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ వోల్టేజ్ సోర్స్ నోట్ చేసేసేయండి. voltage source connect చేయండి. P element is replaced resistor, K is replaced capacitor, M is replaced inductor. So three elements is connecting in series. Three elements connected in series. So draw the three elements RLC in series. RLC in series. You are apply the KVL at in this loop. V of t is equal to R into I of t, L into di by dt, capacitance 1 by C integral I dt. This is the apply KVL at the loop. In the force current, same process. This is the force voltage. I repeat, this is small translational mechanical system. Mass is replaced inductor, K is replaced capacitor, B is replaced resistor. Apply force is apply voltage. F of t is FB of t. So M opposing force directly proportional to the displacement. B opposing force velocity. K opposing force is directly proportional to the displacement. By replacing displacement with velocity, d square x by dt square is equal to dv by dt, dx by dt is equal to v, x is integral v dt. So three elements connected in series. So RLC connected in series, and the apply voltage V of t. This is the connection diagram in the force voltage analogy. And the force current, this is force current analogy. Emma, so ఇందాక మీకు చెప్పాను, in the force current analogy, same three elements connected in series. M into d square x by dt square, B into dx by dt plus K into x. In the replacement of displacement with velocity is same in the force voltage and force current. So d square x by dt square is replaced dx by dt. dx by dt is replaced v. x is replaced integral v dt. ఒక్కసారి ఇక్కడ చెక్ చేయండి. M dv by dt, d into v, k into integral v dt. Consider the shunt RLC circuit. So in the force voltage, RLC connected in series. In the force current analogy, mass is replaced capacitor, B is replaced resistor, K is replaced inductor. In the force voltage, mass inductor, K is capacitor. In the force current is interchange mass element and K element. Okay, Namma? So force voltage lo mass element emo inductor, K element emo capacitor. In the force current, mass and K is interchange. So mass is capacitance, K is inductance, B is same resistance. So we are connecting, mass element is capacitor, K element is inductor, R element is resistor. Connecting three elements in the parallel. In the force current, force is replaced current source. Force is replaced current source. So F is replaced current. R, L, C. Connecting three elements parallel. So apply KCL at this loop. I of t is equal to current through the elements, resistor enti V by R, current through the inductor 1 by L integral V dt, capacitance C into dV by dt. The rate of change of flux is defined as, so d phi by dt, 1 by R, V of t is d phi by dt, and the 1 by L integral V of t phi dv by dt d square phi by dt square. సో ఇదంతా అవసరం లేదమ్మా, ఇలా అంతా మనం చేయాల్సిన అవసరం ఏం లేదు. సో ఇక్కడ నేను ఒకటి చెప్తా వినండి. I of t is equal to V of t by R plus 1 by L integral V of t dt plus C into dV by dt. So this is only one node, KCL node. ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ నోడ్ తీసుకుంటున్నాను నేను, V1. So you are apply node 1 at KCL. I of t is equal to V by R plus 1 by L integral V dt plus C into dV by dt. That's enough. In the force current analogy, mass is replaced capacitor, B is replaced resistor, K is replaced inductor. Okay, so this is force voltage and force current. So ఒకసారి చెప్తాం ఏంటంటే force voltage analogy, force voltage analogy, mass is replaced inductor, K is replaced capacitor, B is replaced resistor, and the force voltage and force current, so same replacement displacement with velocity. Displacement is replacement with velocity. So d square x by dt square place lo em replace chestunnam dv by dt, dx by dt place lo em replace chestunnam velocity, x is replaced integral v dt. In the connection of series connection is using in the force voltage analogy. In the elements is connecting parallel with force current analogy. In force current analogy, mass is replaced capacitor, B is replaced resistor, K is replaced inductor. So this is force voltage and force current analogy electrical circuits.